Yesterday we had indecision on the market between the buyers and the sellers, and we can see the price formed a indecision candle where the price formed a smaller wick on the upper side and a larger wick on the lower side. The price tried to make a move yesterday above this confluence of resistance, but we can see the price drop it down. And what we can see on the 1 hour time frame from the yesterday, we can see how the price has behaved since morning. The price was jumping between this area of support and this area of resistance. So we can see that for yesterday analysis I have mentioned these two levels that are very important one for the price to make a breakout. We can see that the first attempt was here below 2904.26 as we can see, but the price immediately returned back above and then continued to rise in value, trying to make a bullish breakout above that. And we can see how the price has behaved. The price has reached the daily resistance and then bounced back down and currently stayed inside in this area of indecision range area. And we can see in the last 4 hours the price tried to make a bullish breakout here, again very close to the resistance level, to the daily, and then return back down. Yesterday inside the premium analysis I have shared the breakout that has been formed here above 2914.85 with the target right here, and the price has moved down and also reached their target level, which is also again a profitable breakout mentioned with the traders. If you would like to receive these updates like in this example and also for other symbols that you can see here, you can also join the premium analysis to receive these updates. Now what we can expect after the price formed indecision candle. We can see that the price had a bearish breakout here, which means a bearish strength here, but the bulls are much stronger here. We can see that the price could not continue to lose its value, touching this area of support at 4 hour time frame at 2895.83, bouncing back up, and we can see the daily resistance is a confluence of resistance. We have around 2927.76, which is holding the price from reaching higher price levels. Now the 4 hour time frame shows us again a bullish breakout. In the last 4 hours the price formed this bullish breakout, but we can see if the price goes below 2921.22, the price will cancel this bullish breakout as an invalid one and it will continue to lose its value. If something happens on the market, that will deny this one, but this is how this looks right now. So for the daily time frame we can see that currently the price is very close to the resistance level, but there is also indecision candle from the yesterday, which means for now I'm still waiting to where the price will go outside of this range area, which I have seen on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame. So the price needs to have a clean information from here where the price could go. For now we can see the price has formed a bullish breakout here, trying to move higher, but we can see the price is returning back down, which means the sellers are still waiting here. Will the selling pressure be stronger than the bullish? This is something to stay away and wait for the clean information. So that means until the price makes a clean bullish or bearish breakout outside of this range area, which means confirming this area as a bullish breakout, continue to rise in value from here to up here, and also losing its value from here to here. Until then, I'm waiting outside from the market and waiting for a clear signal, because currently it is indecision range area where the price could bounce, and also some kind of a false breakouts can happen, because we can see this is bullish breakout where the price did not reach the next target here, because there is selling pressure here and also a buying pressure that is pushing the price. There is no clear evidence which one is stronger, so the price cannot move in that direction. Also this bearish breakout which has been formed, it has touched the target here, but could not continue to lose its value, which means the bullish strength is much stronger than the selling pressure from here. So that's why it's very important to wait until the price makes a breakout. If the price makes a breakout, and we'll see that, we can see that on the daily time frame, the bullish breakout will try to reach here around 2940, and if the price goes below that, this is the first support level that will need to be broken, and that is around 2893. 2893, it is 2895.83, much more clear information which support needs to be broken in order to continue to lose its value. So for now, if you would like to receive these breakouts, you can also join the premium analysis. You will receive information when the breakout happens and also what is the target, which is targeting this breakout, and also you can act accordingly based on that information. The link will be below in the description. Feel free to join. See you inside. That's all for today, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!